Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bloom, or 15 miles south of Cleburne, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Covington around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grandview around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rio Vista. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 16 and 18. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.